Hey everybody, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can use DotLoop the app on the go. This is going to be very helpful for if you're filling out like a buyer's agreement and you want to do it right there within person. So all you're going to do now is you are going to, on your app, go ahead and open up DotLoop. So what you're going to do is just go open up DotLoop right on your app. Make sure that you're logged in. And then right here, you're going to actually click the little blue plus button in the lower right-hand side, and that's going to go ahead and create a loop. And what we suggest actually is they do a for signing purposes only loop. So what you're going to do is just create one loop that you're going to use for signing purposes, anything that you need to. This is just one loop that you'll go through and add extra documents right in here. Now, if you go through and look at the templates that we actually have created a template for you that says EBA, that's exclusive buyer brokerage agreement for signing purposes only. So we're going to go ahead and click that one. Okay, and then we'll hit done. It's going to automatically go through and pull up the information. You'll see in the top part here, we have details, documents, people, tasks. We're going to go ahead and go to people, or it will have the admin and then it'll have you guys in there as well. So you're just going to click that plus button here. And we're going to go ahead and type in the buyer's name. So in this particular instance, my buyer's name is Tony Stark. For all you Marvel references, you get that. You'll go ahead and type in their email address, and then you're just going to go and select a role. So you click on select role, and you're going to click on that they're the buyer and hit save. That will go through, automatically populate with them in there. If you go back into the very top, you'll see the details and documents. You're going to click on docs, and then you'll see that we have that exclusive buyer broker agreement right here. So we can go ahead and just click on that. And it's going to go through and pop in all the information that we have and pull this up. So what I'm going to do is actually on the lower left-hand side, you see right here where it says more, we're going to click on more. And it's going to pop up and it's going to have some different options. We're going to do the host in-person signing, and we're going to click that button. So from there, you have to choose, okay, well, who do you want to have sign? We want Tony. And then we're going to go and click submit in the upper right-hand side. It does say to hand over control of this device. We're not going to do that yet. So we're just going to go through and click begin signing. And we want to go and we're going to want to get everything updated. I like to do this just because it makes it a little bit easier. What I'm going to do is in the upper left-hand side, you see where it says fill and sign right here. We're going to go ahead and click that. And then from here, we're going to fill out the rest of the document. Now, for some reason, it didn't pull his name. So we're going to go ahead and type in his name, Tony Stark. We've already got Impact Realty. We do have to put termination date. So we're going to say this starts on the 8th day of August, 2020. And it expires on the 8th day of August, 2025. From here, this is that property and location. If we leave it blank, we're saying any residential or commercial. And on this one, we're saying any property located in the state of Florida. You can change that if need be. We'll go through and fill out anything else we need to. If you're adding a retainer fee, now you get to 7 for compensation. So we're going to go through and make sure that we're filling in. We've negotiated 3% for compensation plus $9.95. And then anything else, if you have a protection period, a conditional termination, you can go ahead and fill that out, or anything from other terms. Now, here's the part where you can go through and hand it to them. So all you're going to do is go over it. And then do you see where it's actually highlighted, kind of that like reddish orangish color through here? You can just go through and show that to them. And all they're going to do is just click on it. And when they click on it, it pops up, same as they would for just a normal computer. And then they're going to say, hey, these are the initials that we want. And then we're going to click adopt and sign in the upper right-hand side. Boom, those are the initials through here. When we go and we scroll down, we see, oh, here's another section for them to sign. So we'll go ahead and click that. It's automatically updated for there. Same thing for the initials on the last page. And then obviously the last thing, not done, is we've got the buyer click here. So we'll go ahead and click on that. It will share their name and information. They can adopt and sign. You can do a switch to draw as well too, if they wanted to go and use this, and then they can go through and I've never actually signed Tony Stark before, but they can sign their name if they like to as well. Don't know why they would do that, but hey. And then you just hit adopt and sign. Once that's done, it might say some other fields. We'll just go ahead and hit skip on that one. It'll save your changes, and then you can just say, all right, I'm done. And then that's it. It's automatically going to get sent to you, and it'll automatically, a copy will be sent to them under the email address that you've done. And that's all it takes.